Hello friends, today I want to show you how you use sort and filter in Excel. I have this data. I want to sort my data according to, for example, well column. Just select a cell in well column and go to sort and filter. I use smallest to largest, but make sure you have 160, 152. Let's see how it changes. I choose sort smallest to largest. You see, it sorted from smallest to largest, and other columns change it according to well data. For example, I want to sort from largest to smallest. Just sort largest to smallest, as you see. And we have another option is just select a cell and sort, custom sort. It directly selected all the cells which has contact, and here you can choose which column you want to make a sort. According to which column you want to make a sort, I want use, for example, top, not top, let be X column, values largest to smallest. But here make sure my data has header, otherwise it include in a sorting, but it's a header, so it's okay. Just okay, you see how it sorted your data. Also, you have another option, custom sort and filter, custom sort. For example, I want to add another criteria, for example, add level, then by first column I want okay, X column, and I want to use notation, also values A to Z. Let's see how it sorts my data. Okay, you see it sorted from largest to smallest, and also we have 140, several 140s, but it sort according to notation also, the order of letters. Okay, that's the sorting.